Welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Just Cause 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and just type in Just Cause 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the reviews. Scroll down and you will see the Add to Cart button. Tap on this button alongside the bundle that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now just choose your payment method from the drop-down menu and then click on Continue. Finally, you will need to enter the credentials of your chosen payment method. After logging in and finalizing your transaction, the game will then be added to your library, from which you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Just Cause 2 game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.